Hi there, and welcome to some laughter yoga. I'm Tové Kane. This is day 175 of my 365 days of laughter every day. I'm just in the car after recceing a new venue for a laughter club. Yay! So I've been doing some impromptu laughter sessions here and there, but it's lovely to have a home base. So this could be it, but I will let you know about it. But in the meantime, because it's raining, I thought we could kiss the rain. Or, in fact, try and catch it. Laughter yoga is about playfulness. Catch the rain with your tongue, even if it's raining or not raining. It's also a bit like lion laughter. Kind of engages the belly laughing, which is enormous fun, and being playful. I had a very low energy day myself today, but this good news about the club could be something very beneficial for the people locally to be able to come and enjoy. And you can kiss the rain any day, whether it is raining or not. Kiss it or catch it, it's up to you. For health, happiness and world peace, keep laughing. It's so good for you.